It really depends on the dealer's position. It depends on what the client wants. It depends on client expectations. And, we work with our clients. I always tell the clients, we're in this together. Without the client, I don't have a case. And without, the lawyer, the client doesn't have a claim. So we work together with the client, and sometimes the clients don't want to pursue litigation. They are intimidated by the process. They don't want to be involved in a lawsuit. They think it's a headache. And so we leave that choice solely up to the client. If they want to pursue a lawsuit or not. A common theme that we see is once we send a demand letter out and the dealer writes back and says, Pollyanna, we did nothing wrong. In fact, here is a Carfax that your client signed. And that's always a surprise because our expectation is that whatever the client signs when they purchase the vehicle, they will get copies provided to them by the dealer. And then when we ask you for your documents, we hope that everything that you signed at the dealership, the dealer gave to you, and then you will give to us. Again, oftentimes our clients say, I never saw that. I never knew I was signing that. And the logical statement is, why would I buy a car knowing it had frame damage? Why would I buy a car knowing it has an odometer rollback? And one thing that we've seen over and over again is in the finance department's office or the finance manager's office, there's so many piles of paper and so many pieces of paper that the client has to sign when buying a car. The transactions go very fast. Most times the clients have been at the dealership for 3 to 4 hours. They're hungry, they're tired, they just want to get out of there. They have their kids with them. Everybody is just annoyed and wants to be done. Well, finance companies, I believe, take advantage of those situations, and they'll put a big stack of paper in front of the clients and say, sign here, sign here, sign here, sign here. And sometimes the clients don't even see what they're signing. The finance managers will flip the papers back and have the client sign, and then they clump them up, give some of the papers to the client, not all. In response to our demand letter, they'll produce a Carfax signed by our client that our client's never seen. If you're about to go and purchase a vehicle, I recommend that you do a few things. First, look at every document separately. Make sure you're seeing the first page all the way to the last page, and look at the pages in between. Don't have the dealer have you sign some half sheets of paper. Second, demand that you get a copy of every single piece of paper that you're signing at the dealership, and tell them, I've signed 8 pieces of paper, I would like 8 copies. And if the documents have multiple pages, make sure you get multiple pages. For example, Carfax can be 6 pages. Sometimes these dealers just have the client sign the last page. Well, the disclosure or the accident or the odometer information may be on the first or second page, but the clients don't see that. Third, demand a Carfax and an auto check and an NMVTIS report. The dealerships can print these out in seconds. Demand to get copies of all of them and review them before finalizing your purchase.